How to remove suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy in here, click on Permission Manager, which is the second option. Here, scroll down, you'll find Contacts. Click on it. After you click on Contacts, you'll find all the apps that has access to your contacts while sharing. So, select each app and press on Don't Allow. Make sure there is dot, press on Don't Allow. Make sure there's dot and Don't Allow. In that way, repeat the process for all the apps. And after you do that, your contacts will stop showing when you try to share anything. This is how to remove suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.